So now we need to increment the score of the left paddle when the ball goes off the right side of the screen. And yeah, so we look in here, and you kind of want to think about which update method you want to put that in, because of course the updates of all your objects contain the logic that determine how your game plays. So you want to think, and should it be in the left paddle? Should it be in the right paddle? Or should it be in ball update? And for me, it makes the most sense for me to put it in ball update. Okay. There's an argument to be made here. There's an argument for it to be made here. But this is what I'm going to choose, just because it makes the most sense to me, right? So there's a little bit of gray area when you're designing your software, and yeah, people might not see eye to eye all the time. So we're going to jump into the balls update method. It's right here. Right here we have all the logic for the movement of the ball, and then we're going to say if, right? So it should be a condition. If the position of the ball is greater than the right side of the screen, right? So if self, because we are in the ball class, so if you ever want to refer to the ball, it needs to be self. And so we say self.rect dot left. So if the left side of the ball is greater than win underscore width, right, that means it went off the right side of the screen. Then we are going to say, which paddle is it? It's the left paddle dot score plus equals 1. Okay, and that's pretty much all you need to do. Let me go ahead and say $sign increment score. That's pretty much all we need to do, and I guess we could print out the left player score just to see that it actually is working. So we just do like print left player score, save that, run it, 0, 0, 0, 0, and then it goes up, right? So this is good. This is what we want. We're eventually going to fix it so that the ball isn't continuously, because I mean you don't see it, but the ball is continuously bouncing up and down and moving towards the right, off the right side of the screen. So it's like going like this, and like just like going off the screen. So that's why the score is continuing to go up, because as updates being called in the game loop, this condition is true, and it's continuing to increment the left player score, right? So again, we'll come back to that, fix that later, but for now, we have our score incrementing correctly, and I guess you would want to make the right player score increment at the appropriate time as well, right?